Hey guys, ID here. Welcome to the 28th episode of Design Journal. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make mockups. Well, first, what is a mockup? A mockup basically is a computer rendered image or video that you make to simulate a real life thing. So in my case, the mockups that I'm going to show you is basically the mockups that you do for logo and branding work. Most of them include the applications that the client is interested in. So if you are making a logo for, let's say, a software company, you're gonna mock the icon on an app icon and everything, like a T-shirt, things like that. But if you're making a logo or a branding for, let's say, a company who makes some leather goods, like wallets and everything, so you're gonna present your logo on that as well, because they want to have a look at how things will look like in their application. So what a mockup does is, it offers you context, and it offers you, what's the possibility of, like how we can utilize this logo in our applications. So this can help you sell your design a little bit better, and for the client, it gives him or her a better understanding of how the design can work in their specific applications. I, have realized the importance of mockups, and there are a few ways in which you can do them, but I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can do them in today's video. So yeah, let's get into it. So as you can see on the screen, this is Photoshop, not Illustrator. So this is my Photoshop, and this is a mockup that I downloaded. I'll link everything, all the mockups that I've used, in the description below. So basically, what you need to do is, let's say I'm working for a clothing brand and they have a paper bag, So when I go, to present my design, I would definitely want to present them something that they can relate to. Maybe a T-shirt, maybe, let's say, a visiting card. Oh, sorry, a business card, like a paper bag. So I think this will help me, to get to their needs a lot better. Okay, I hope it makes sense. I'm trying my best. So this is, let's say, this is a mock-up. Whatever mockup you need, like if you need a paperback mockup, you go to Google, you write paperback mockup PSD free, whatever. There are free ones available as well. All of the designs that I'm using are free, but you need to look at the licenses. Most of them are free for personal use, now for commercial work. So you also need to see, like, the rights and everything. But once you're through with that, all of these that I'm going to show you today are free for personal as well as commercial use, so you can definitely use them. They're not mine. I've not designed them. I just downloaded them, and I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay. So yeah, let's get started with the first design that I have, and it's a paperback mockup, really well designed. And so what you need to do after you download it, you need to look at your layers panel, okay, and then we have two options, like the background. There are two groups basically, and the shopping bag. So you go to the background one first, and you see this is the background color. So this is just a color layer. You double click it, and then you can literally choose the background color of your choice. So I'm just gonna go with white. So FFF. And so, okay, so it's totally, you can update anything. It depends on the quality of the mockup that you get. Most of them are, like, you can change everything about them, but some of them are quite limited. So you need to see that as well. So yeah, then if you expand the other one, yeah, this is put your design here. So what we need to do is we need to double click on this smart object, okay, and this will open up a new Photoshop document. It's a Photoshop smart object, so it will open a PSB file. It's having some problems with the font. I'm just gonna hit cancel for now. So this is what it is right now. Okay, so it has the bag color in it. It has everything that you need to put on it as well. I'm just gonna disable everything, and let's start with adding a background color to it. So to add a color layer, you go here and you choose a solid color. I'm gonna go with black, so 000. That's your black color. And I'm just gonna put my logo right now for the reference, and we see how it goes. So I'm just gonna paste my own logo, which I copied a while back. I was preparing for this video. So yeah, so you can place it wherever you want. This is basically the front side of the bag, and once you're satisfied with it, you just hit Command S, Control S, whatever you use to save it. So you save this PSB file, then you close the window, and boom, there it is. So it's super easy to make them, right? Then in this one, you can also change the handle. As you can see, the handle color is also configurable. I'm gonna go with the white just to see how it looks, right? And I am sure that black is not a good color for this mockup because it hides the the shadows and everything. But we're gonna keep it this way. Now once it's done, what you need to do is you can just go into file and export it as an image and send it to your client. So super easy, and the result also is really nice. And I'm just going to show you some more, right? This is another paperback mockup. I've already done the changes, but I'm going to show you the layers thing here. It's again, I think it's from the same designer, so that's why it's arranged in a pretty similar fashion. You have the background color, you have the the bag design and everything. So super easy. This is another one. I've used most of them in my other videos in design, so you might recognize some of those. This is from the pups thing that I did, and it's super simple. You just have to double click on it, and this opens up, and you just have to put in your design in black, and it will render everything up. So pretty easy. These are some business card mockups that were from Melinda Livesey, and they're super awesome. There are like 7, 8 of them, and pretty good, right? And once you open like this part, it's just an image. So you can make this image in Illustrator, or you can design it completely in Photoshop. It's totally up to you. So this is now an image. Once you're satisfied with it, you just hit save and close this window, and boom, there are your designs over here. So pretty easy to make, and it looks really like the good mockups are very much photorealistic. So yeah, they look really awesome. And so this is one of them that I made. Like I got this leather texture from Google Images, and it was not that high res, but I used some other Photoshop magic to do it. Okay, and so yeah, so as you can see, this is something that I have used for one of my clients. For the, they had a accessory business, so they made like leathers and leather wallets and phone cases. So I just wanted to show how the logo would look like. I just put my own logo here for reference. So it's super easy as well. You just open this smart object, you just paste your design in it, you close it, and it does the magic automatically. Now, if you are interested in learning how to make it, it is also super easy. So what you need to do is you just need to have what is inside of here, the smart thing. You just need to have it here, and you convert it into a smart object. Okay, then you do whatever of the effects that you want to do on the smart object and not in the smart object. So like these effects, okay, that make this look like it's like inside, like it's a leather pressed, are on the smart object and not inside the smart object. So what it does is you can literally go here and change the design inside the smart object, and it will reflect the changes over here. So it's pretty easy to do, and it looks pretty good. But before making your own mockups, I would recommend you getting some of the mockups that are already available by experienced designers, and then look at how they are made. So that will help you, with the with giving like the photorealistic effect that you want. I hope it helps, and now you know how to make the mockups, how to find them, and how to use them, how to export them, whatever. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like on IGTV or on YouTube, wherever this is posted. I'm really thankful for you for watching this video, and keep hitting me up on my social media. I'm really active on them and would love to have a conversation with you guys. And yeah, that's it. Stay tuned because more stuff is coming really soon. Okay, bye.